Example 3. There are 180 students going on a class field trip. Of those students, 40% are boys. How many students on the field trip are boys? Again, I want to show you two strategies to solve this problem. And the first is going to be find the part using the equation part over whole equals percent over 100. So from the word problem, I'm going to fill in my information again. I'm given 180 students. Well, that's a total. That's a whole. So I'm going to place that in the bottom left. I'm given 40%. That's the percent that are boys. So I'm going to place 40 over 100. And I'm looking for the part that are boys. So once again, I'm going to cross multiply and divide 180 times 40, then divide by 100, and that equals 72. That tells me there's going to be 72 boys on the field trip. Now the other strategy is to use a double number line. If I've got my double number line, I'm going to use the top line to represent percent, and then the bottom number line is going to represent how many students. I'm going to mark off my 100%. I know that matches my total, my whole, 180. I got to get 40% in my percent number line. Well, if I take 100 and divide it into 5 equal pieces, that will go up by 20% each time. And that will allow me to put 40% on the number line. If I place my matching tick marks, in order to get those amounts, I'm going to have to take 180 and divide it by 5. That's 36. That tells me I'm going to increase by 36 each tick mark. Finally, I go back to 40% and I see what matches up with it. That's a 72. And I get the same exact answer. There are 72 boys on the field trip.